What's good YouTube? It's your boy Sal here, coming back at you with another video. As you can see, I'm in SF. I'm doing a photo shoot with a photographer. I'm doing the photo shoot at the Exploratorium, which is right here. I'll see you guys when I get there in like a second. Peace. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to stay tuned for at the end of the video. After this outro, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the pictures from the shoot at the end after this outro. Just stay tuned for that. Just make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of your boy and my content. It's your boy Sal. I'm out. Peace.